Hi guys, welcome back in this new video. This is Soheb and you are watching SaaS Reviews with Soheb. So in this video, I'm gonna review one tool that will help you to automate your all email marketing campaigns, and you can automate your workflow and you can automate your entire business with automation workflows, right? So watch this video till the end so that you can get to know how this tool is helpful for you and how you can use it and how you can grab it. Because in this video, trust me, I'm gonna tell you amazing deal for you. But if you want to know the deal, you have to watch this video till the end. So without getting any delay, let's jump into it. So guys, the tool name is Inbox, which I'm gonna talk about. You can create and automate tailored email marketing campaign for multiple brand in one place, because Inbox is all in one. Sure, you could manually personalize every marketing email, and you could insist that starting all your email with "Hey you" is an essential part of your brand voice. It works great on Tinder, right? But what you did really love is platform that automates your email marketing across brands with easy personalization and attractive designs. Inbox lets you easily create and spend personalization marketing email and newsletter for all of your brands. With Inbox, you can quickly build beautiful newsletters without touching a line of code. Just drag and drop images, button, menus, social links and more onto the page. INBOXBrush makes design easy with ready-made templates, modules and extensive photo library, a photo editor and unlimited store for templates and pictures. You will also be able to create automated email marketing campaigns to send the right message to the right subscriber at the right time. You can use the drag and drop workflow editor to build automation based on triggers, actions and conditions for things like a welcome email sequence or promotional campaigns. You can boost your subscriber list with customized sign up form on sleek landing page that you can share on your website, social media and email signature. From there, you can use Inbox smart sentence features to personalize communication with your audience by adding a simple block to your template, and as well as A/B split test your email to see which content resonates best with your audience, then use what you find to improve future campaigns. And plus, you can also track marketing automation and other campaign results with static like emails opened, read and respond as spam, right? And if you want to do a A/B test your email content to see what resonates best with your audience and actually improve future campaigns, Inbox Automate Resonate feature lets you give subscribers who may have missed an email campaign a second chance. Choose who you want to resend the email to, folk who didn't open the first time or folk didn't click on the links. Before sending the second time, you'll be able to change the subject line of or content to promote better result. You can even manage multiple brands from a single account and stay compliant with GDPR, CSL and CCPA regulation. You can automatically resend your email campaign to anyone who didn't open or click the link the first time around. Achieve more efficient workflow by connecting your Inbox account to web services you're already using every day. Inbox allows you to connect a bunch of popular apps like Zapier, Jotform and Typeforms. The platform also integrates with WooCommerce and Shopify so that you can send and automate email from your e-commerce shop. You can easily integrate Inbox with e-commerce platform, WooCommerce and Shopify. If you're trying to connect with your prospect without personalizing your campaigns like cooking chicken without seasoning it, you are not going to get great results. Inbox makes it easy to send beautiful personalization email with the option to create automated workflows, A/B test email content and automatically resend emails. Hypercharge your email campaigns. So guys, I hope you like this tool. Now I will go in a practical session, but before that I want to tell you the surprise which I have told you in the beginning of this video. You can get this tool for a lifetime, right? You can access this tool for a lifetime, but if you want to grab this tool for a lifetime, so you can buy this tool from AppSumo marketplace. AppSumo is a platform where you can buy all the digital tools for your businesses, and by using these tools you can automate your entire business. AppSumo is a leading trusted digital marketplace for entrepreneurs from where you can get it. So, and for that I have mentioned the link in my video description, so you can go through that link. Whenever you will click on that link, you will be redirected on this landing page, and after that you can grab this tool only at just $69, okay? And you can use this tool for a lifetime, and as well as all the details they have mentioned about this tool. And if you talk about their features and plans, also they have mentioned plan and features about this tool, right? So you have 3 license options. You can go with single, you can go with double and you can go with multiple. If you will go with single, so you have to pay $69 one time and you can add 75 100 contacts in your email list, unlimited sendings, unlimited contact list. If you will go with double, so you have to pay $138, and you can add 15,000 contacts. And if you will go with multiple, so you can add $207, and you can add 30,000 contacts, and all the same features you will get in all of these. But after buying this tool, if you will not satisfied with this tool, so you can also get back your refund. You have a 60 days money back guarantee, right? No matter the reason, if you are not satisfied, so you can get back your refund. But trust me, this tool is amazing according to price and features. If you know, in the market many more tools are available out there. You have to pay on a monthly basis, on a yearly basis, right? But no one is giving you a lifetime deal. But this platform is offering you lifetime deal if you will buy this tool from their official website. So you have to pay on a monthly basis, but from AppSumo, if you will buy this tool, so you will get this tool access for a lifetime, right? So that was my opinion. What's your? Write in the comment box. And now I will show you the features and functions inside the dashboard. So let's jump into it. So now we are inside the dashboard. Whenever you will create your account, so as like that you will see your dashboard. So now you can start creating your campaigns. Okay, all the data, all the reports, all these things you can check here, right? So how many features you will get in this tool? Just I will tell you. First, you will get multi-brand management, unlimited brand, group segment and web forms, inbox event, high sending speed, sender ID, AB split campaigns, auto resend, RSS feed, advanced marketing automation, newsletter design with INBOXBrush, ready-made templates, custom fields, real-time reports, CASL complaints, API integration and webhooks. You can integrate with Zapier, Jotform, Typeform, WooCommerce and Shopify. Light text, inbox branding. Okay, so first of all, if you want to build your contact list, so just you have to go to contact list. You can create your contact list here. You can create your groups, you can create your segments. Okay, and as well as you can create your newsletters. All the newsletters you can see here. Okay, if you want to create your new newsletter, so you can create here. And if you want to check your all the reports, if someone opened your mail or not, and open, so how many people have taken action and how many people haven't taken any action, right? So all the things you can check here. And if you will go with forums, so you can create your forums here, and your old forms also you can check here in this area. And if you want to create your landing page, so you can create it here. Okay, all the landing pages you can see here. And if you want to build a automation funnel for your product, for your service, so you first of all you have to create a landing page, which you can create from here. Just you have to click on create landing page. After that you can build that landing page. And after building your landing page, if you want to automate your landing page in email sequence, so you can go to automation. And now their automation is right now in beta version. So if you will create your automation, so just you have to click new create workflow. Okay, so here you can create your blank workflow from the scratch. You can create welcome message. You can create with welcome message, with birthday, goodbye message, anniversary, email series, lead generation, first purchase feedback, score survey, product reviews, abundance card, right? But I will go with blank workflow just to show you. So now I am on this page where I can build my automation sequence with all these workflows. So first, when the contact is added to a list, so what we can do, so just drag and drop it here. And after that, what actions you want to take them when they have added in your list, so they will get first email from your side. Okay, after that still they haven't taken any action, so just wait. And after that again you can send a mail. Okay, so your first mail will go directly, and your second mail will go after 1 day. Okay, and if you want to again send your mail, okay, after 1 day this mail will go to them. And then again you can wait, and you can wait for days. Okay, for 3 days. Just after 3 days will go this mail. So as you can create your all the 3 to 5 days automation, and you can convert your prospects into your customers. Okay, you can generate first lead, after that you can convert your all leads, right? So all the automations you can do here, as well as you can check your all events, you can create new events also here, and all the settings option you have. Okay, profile, sender account, domains, custom feeds, payments, work, webhooks. Okay, and as well as you can create your custom domain also here. So I hope guys this video was helpful for you. I have tried to complete all these things what I can review for you, right? Now you can decide this tool is helpful for you or not, right? But still, if you want to try this tool, so you can try this. This tool is really amazing, because I'm using this tool personally, because few days ago I have found this tool and now I'm using this tool continuously. Before that I was using MailerLite. I was paying for that tool on a monthly basis, because they haven't any lifetime plan. But here you have an option, you can go with lifetime plan. So that's all for this video. So that's all for this review video. And if you found this video helpful for you, so give it a thumbs up, and don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel, and as well as hit the notification bell. So whenever I will be reveal my new SaaS video, so you will get a notification. Okay, for till now, bye bye and take care of yourself.